You already see what it is. Let's just take me to the useless website, please. Oh, that's kind of sick. Wait, that's loud. Get chill. Chris, who did the aura? What is this thing? Oh no. Yep. Is my computer on? It's what the website's called. Flex. Gains. Eat a gumball for the gains. Ninja Flex. Yes, sir. Cat bounce. It went dark. What happened? I'm a ninja. I'm not. The screen's just dark. That doesn't mean you're a ninja. You're oh. Bro, look at those crusty. What am I holding? Paint the kneecaps. Those are knuckles. I'm so dumb. Paint those caps. Oh! Oh, I just did it! Why is it bloody diarrhea? It's a marker? Put a marker all over their nails. Cherry flavor. Okay, I'm done with this. Next one. Potato. Tomatoes. Yay. Wait, that's not even it. Oh, okay. It's supposed to be like. It's supposed to be like. The war did I just witness? I don't even know. Crouton. Mmm. Delicious. What am I? Noodle webber, huh? Nulling the void. Bro, chill. Going into the maze. Oh. 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 I'm dying. Hmm. Oh yeah, subscribe and turn on notifications because tomorrow, uh, I'm coming out with gaming videos. Lots of them. Not lots in just one day, but like a week. Oh shoot. Uh-huh. Oh, that's definitely 1 million. Oh, I've done this before. Oh, everything was fuzzy. Oh, my keyboard. Yeah, that worked. That was cool. I like that. That wasn't useless. I like that one. I don't like that. Why is that? Why is that? Why? Why is that like disturbing to me? It's just a foot. 10 cents. Goddamn 10 cents. Rich, give me that. Give me that. Rich. Oh no. I mess up the camera? Does that look better? Sorry, camera. Okay, last one. Hamburger. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. And always remember. Uh. Eat your vegetables.